today I'm showing you how to create that viral mini athlete effect in Adobe Photoshop. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and select the photo you want to use. In my opinion, I think this effect looks best when the athlete is in an empty environment because the full body shot just tends to pop out a little harder. Go ahead and select your subject, then duplicate your layer. Once that's duplicated, go ahead and hide that layer for now. Now go select your bottom layer subject, go down to generative fill and click generate. This allows us to get a clean background so our effect actually looks real. Once that's generated, go ahead and unhide your duplicated subject layer, then press Command or Control T and scale them down to your preferred size. And then go ahead and place your athlete wherever it feels most natural in the frame. Now duplicate that layer once more, and on this new layer, erase everything except the head. Scale the head slightly bigger than the body because this is what gives that mini athlete look. Now that is done, go ahead and go around the whole entire head and clean up any unwanted edges or leftover pixels so everything looks clean and sharp. And just like that, you literally created a mini athlete. If this tutorial helped you a lot, make sure to leave a like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. And if you're a sports creative looking to level up your workflow, go ahead and go down to the link in the description below and check out the Creative Locker Room.